All right, short video on some very basic editing tools. So we'll click on the edit button here to get our edit bar. And we're actually going to start on the left here with these very simple bold, italics, and underline, which these you're probably familiar with from any word processing program you've used. So if you highlight a section of text, you can then apply the bold, the italics, or the underline to it. These are toggle buttons, so if you click on it once, it produces the bold. If you click on it again, it undoes the bold, underline, or italics. You can also use the keyboard commands, so Control-V, Control-U, Control-I if you're on a PC. For Mac users, it's Command-B, Command-U, or Command-I. All right. Let's go ahead and look. I'm going to go to a different page. Already in edit mode here. And we're going to look at this next button, the style text formatting button. So when you click on that, you get a little pop-up window. And here you can change the font. You can also change the size. Okay, we're going to go back. I'm going to cancel that for a minute. Because in order to apply those styles, you need to have some text highlighted. It will not apply it to the page unless you have some text highlighted. So for starters, let's do just a section of text. Click on the Style button again. Let's select a font. Let's do something different just for fun. And then here in the size, the default for the wiki is percentages, which can make it really difficult to have you can end up with a lot of different sizes on one page and have difficulty getting them all the same. So instead, we can use points just like you would in a word processing document. So we'll pick 12 point for this one. You can pick any size you want. You can also assign change in text color, the background color, and you can select alignment, horizontal alignment. And the vertical position just allows you to choose subscript or superscript if you need that. You can also do a strike through if you like. So let's come back up here, and for demonstration purposes, we'll pick green text, and we'll do a background color of yellow. Click Apply Styles, and that's what it looks like there. So if you don't like what you did, you can use this undo button right here. Click on that, and it'll take it back to what it was before. Let's go back into that style text style window again, and this time we'll pick our font, and we'll pick our size there, 12 point. You do get a preview of the sample text right there, and then you can apply the styles. So that's what it looks like now. If I like that and I want to apply the same thing to the rest of the page, it's easy to do. So you can click up in the upper right and just highlight everything down, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Command A, which highlights everything. And then I can come back in here. The font that I had chosen was Palatino, and my font size that I want, and then apply styles. And now everything is uniform on the entire page. Then you save your work, and that's how you do some very basic formatting.